Automation. At its core, automation is reducing human intervention. Whether that is by integrating complex machines or just sharing data across different systems, companies worldwide are turning to automation to further increase efficiency and decrease labor costs. From conveyors, to integrating PLCs, to custom MES systems, companies are investing in a variety of ways to streamline their operations. Once you achieve automated activity in your warehouse or shop floor, getting that data into your ERP is another story. That's where RF Smart comes in. RF Smart Automation leverages our purpose-built integrations to communicate in real time and update the ERP instantaneously with material movement and inventory changes.
Our customers were incorporating new systems and needed a way to implement and maintain integrations to their ERP. Many times, IT and operation departments were making decisions separate from one another and then finding a way to make it all work. RF Smart Automation does more than make it work. It's the complete integration solution across your warehouses. If you take this warehouse, for example, let's complete a transfer for a manufacturing process, like powder coating for a large part. We'll take that part out of the warehouse and transfer it to a WIP location. You see in the ERP, location 123 is not present. It is empty. It will be our WIP or work in process location. If we transfer it from location 1A2, we can see there are 124 items available. And on the work order, there are already 8 items completed. Through automation, we will see all of this data change after the work order is completed. The first thing it will do is complete the pick. You see the PLC data update the transaction in the automation module in real time. Now, here is the transfer to the WIP location. As this is happening, you see the quantities update in each location. Location 1A2 went down to 123, and location 123 now shows 1 item. The machine will complete the manufacturing process. To finish, PrintSuite Bridge prints a label automatically. You can see the ERP now shows 9 items completed on the work order. The put-away transaction is completed the same way, all without any human interaction, and RF Smart updates each system at the same time. That's the power of RF Smart Automation.
RF Smart Automation connects your operations, helping you increase efficiency and decrease labor cost, which helps your bottom line. To learn more, speak to our team at info@rfsmart.com.